All right, so now we've been able to handle the functionality to create a reset token and send an email to the user. Now what we want to do is we want to handle when the user actually clicks on that reset link that contains the reset token, they are usually brought to this page, this reset password page, and these params here and the password will be sent to the back end. So we're expecting two pieces of data from the front end. Number one is the params, number two is the new password they want to set. So let's go ahead and build this out from the back end. So I got to come first to create a route for the reset password. So we've created a forgot password route. Where's my route? Okay, right here. And I think I can close this stuff I'm not using so that I have. Okay, so we'll create another route for the reset password, and let me just duplicate this one, or you know what, I'll create the controller first so that I don't repeat all those errors that I normally do. So I'll come here and then I'll just add a comment here. I will say reset password, and then I'll just create my asynchronous handler function, which I'm going to call reset password as well. Okay, great. Copy that, and what I normally do, response.send, which I'll just say reset password. Okay, then I would lastly I would export it. Great, and save. So now I'll come to my route and create my route. This time I'm not going to make any mistake, so we'll change the function here to reset password and auto import it. Then we'll change this also to reset password. But you know something, we're expecting two pieces of data from the front end. The first is the params, which is going to be in the URL, and the second is the reset token. So what that means is that here also we are going to do a forward slash, and then we are going to reference the params, and I'm going to just call that params reset token. Okay, and this is not going to be a post request, it's going to be a put request. So router.put. Great. Now I'm going to go ahead and save this guy. Aha. And everything, I'm waiting for it to restart my server. Aha, so my server has restarted. What that means is that we can now test this in Insomnia. So I'll come here and duplicate this route here. I'll duplicate this route and I'll just call it reset password. Set password, and then I'll create that. So we're going to change this here. First, let's make this put, and then let's update the URL as well. So this is not going to be forget password, it's going to be reset password. But remember, this reset password has a param. So the params is anything that comes after the URL. So here I'm just going to say 123 and just type something. This is the params. Okay. But just for the sake of testing, I'm just going to click on send. And as you can see, we get a 200 response. Okay. Okay, so what this means is that we can now go ahead and create the controller function in the next video. See you there.